Let's go. See, now I'm not even hands-free. I'm not touching the remote. And right on me. Now I'm in cinematic. Oh, normal. Can I get it to follow me closer? There we go. I'm going to do a turnaround right here. See what it does. Oh, hi. Good job. That's that J-turn that they were talking about. I watch a couple other channels. I watch Sean from, oh boy, Air Photography, his YouTube channel. And then I also watch DC Rainmaker. Love that guy. He's out in, oh, where is he? They speak Dutch. I can't think of it. Finland? No, they speak Finnish. Anyhow, we're gonna pass the camera. Hello, camera. I'm gonna turn around here. That's runaway right there. I'm gonna take the drone up. And we're gonna go back out. Forward again. Do it again, do it again. Whoa, nosedive. Well, lost me. There we go, turn around. Let's do it again. Here we go, straight out. Gotta watch where you're going. That's the trick. Gotta watch. No! Didn't do it. There, it caught me. Yeah, baby. Hello. Hello. Tricky. Hello. Just doing a test. It works. Hi. Hello, Johnny. Woohoo! Well, that was good. That's good tests. I liked it. Good. Now my feet are killing me.